Welcome to the Chapel of the Ascension in Jerusalem, Israel. Located on the Mount of Olives, it's believed to be the place where Jesus ascended to heaven. Inside, the Ascension Rock marks the exact spot, with his footprint still visible today. Join me as we explore the site in stunning 4K. Additional information is available in the description. Welcome to POV Travel, the travel channel where you live the adventures. Subscribe for more first-person tours of the most interesting places around the globe. If you get inspired to visit Israel yourself, pick up my full travel guide linked in the description. It's packed with tons of useful information to take your trip to the next level. Now let's get on with the video.
Even like even in the 2000, don't stay like 1 year and 5 months, 6 months, 3 months, and they finish in 2000 around the world. After the Easter
Our Father Church, the Lord's of Prayer. Paternoster Church.
Where's that?
And when we go out, I'll show you parents. Right here, then Gethsemane Church, the Church of All Nations, where Jesus rested, and the olive tree is 2,000 years old. Yes. And this is the olive tree, this is the garden. This is inside the Church of All Nations.
Right here, you keep all the way up the Via Dolorosa, right here, the 14th station where Jesus walked across. He keep all the way down up here, from Jesus. Okay? That we call it the Palm Sunday Road, where Jesus keep all the way down with his dog, white dog. With the Palm Sunday, with the palms. He keep all the way down. The street of Jesus.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe for more adventures. If this inspired you to visit Israel yourself, pick up my full travel guide linked in the description.